Hi, student. I hope you all are fine and doing well. Last month, many of you must have participated in National Space Day celebrations. Such celebrations are common in schools of national and international importance. Today, we shall see what is their significance, why you should participate, what benefits you get by participation in such events. Let us take a journey through the space studies and Indian space research works which are going on in our country. Children, India's inspiring strides in space science and the dream of becoming an astronaut by each and every student is very important and crucial. Do you know why 23rd August is so special for India? You know, 23rd August we celebrate National Space Day. On this day in 2023, India created history. Our Chandrayaan 3 mission achieved a safe and soft landing of the Vikram lander on the moon. This achievement of landing Vikram lander through Chandrayaan 3 mission, that also a smooth and soft landing in the south pole of the moon, is a great achievement by Indian astronauts. With this, India became the fourth country in the world to land on the moon after USA, Russia, China. We are the first country to land near the south pole of the moon. So this is a feat to celebrate. The rover Gaganyaan rolled out and began exploring the surface of the moon. The landing site was proudly named as Shiv Shakti Point by our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi. And August 23rd of every year would be celebrated as National Space Day to commemorate this achievement. India celebrated its first National Space Day in 2024 last year with the theme Touching Lives While Touching the Moon, India's Space Saga. So to celebrate our Chandrayaan Mission 3 landing on the moon, so this theme we adopted, and this year in 2025 the theme is Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, ancient wisdom to infinite possibilities. You know, children, Aryabhatta, the first satellite launched by our country, to the Gaganyaan manned spacecraft to be launched in 2027. So this is the next achievement India is going to achieve, that we are having a theme for 2025. Aryabhatta to Gaganyaan, ancient wisdom to infinite possibilities. There are a lot of possibilities and you have to open up all these possibilities and seek the opportunities. This theme connects our ancient astronomers with India's modern space dreams, showing us that science is not just a career, but a calling rooted in our culture. Our space studies since ancient times continues even today, and we long for more knowledge regarding the space, planets, heavenly bodies through the studies of space. But space is not just about the moon. All around the world, nations are collaborating with their knowledge and their works. So this international work put together to form a floating laboratory in the space, which is called as International Space Station. It is a giant laboratory orbiting the Earth. You know, children, this International Space Station is used by various countries such as USA, Russia, to get more knowledge about the space and other heavenly bodies, helping the human beings to learn more about the medicine and technology, how it works there, and whether is there any possibility of life in the space. So that is called extraterrestrial life. Whether is it possible that life can exist in the space? Here, astronauts conduct experiments in zero gravity. There is no gravity at all. We are having gravity on the Earth. And also, not only government agencies such as ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, headquartered at Bangalore in our country, there are many private players also in space studies, such as SpaceX, which produces reusable rockets, and also Axiom Space, which is building the world's first commercial space station. So some of these agencies also assist in space studies. In fact, Axiom Mission 4 carried astronauts to the International Space Station. There were 4 astronauts, including the Group Captain from Indian Air Force, Shubhanshu Shukla. He was the pilot for this mission. Along with him, there were 3 more astronauts, one from America and 2 more are from European Union. The successful journey of Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, also called as Shuks. He was born in Lucknow in 1985. He was a test pilot with over 2000 flight hours in jets like the Su-30, MiG-29, Jaguar and more. He also got trained in Russia, Yuri Gagarin Space Research Center, and also in ISRO in Bangalore for the studies in space. In 2025, he made a history and he became the first ISRO astronaut to visit the International Space Station. He is the first Indian to visit the International Space Station. Is it not proud? Is it not inspiring you, children? And the second Indian in space after Rakesh Sharma. All of you know, the first Indian to travel to space is Rakesh Sharma. Shubhanshu Shukla is the second Indian who went through this Axiom 4 mission to the space. During his 18-day mission aboard SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla conducted about 60 experiments, out of which 7 experiments for ISRO. He also studied microgravity, there it is existing in the space, Earth observation from space, how Earth looks like, and even human health and also health of human muscles. He has studied his own muscles, what is happening to his muscle. He broke records by staying longer period in orbit than Rakesh Sharma. That is the next achievement he made. His hard work yielded. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla studied his own body in the space. Shuk's mission shows us something very powerful. What is his mission through Axiom 4? Tell us. India is ready for the future of human space flight. That is, India is going to launch Gaganyaan in the early 2027, where Shubhanshu Shukla is one of the astronauts. Dreams can take you beyond the sky if you have the courage and discipline to chase them, children. So, you know now the significance of observing such important days, the National Space Day, to inspire you, to motivate you, to encourage you to take up, some of you, the careers in space studies. You may be the next astronaut. Remember that you must keep on dreaming and keep on learning more and more, and always keep looking up at the stars, because Amongst you, many future astronauts are waiting to touch the stars. Hope today you enjoyed the journey through the space, International Space Station, then space studies, and also India's achievement through Chandrayaan. Hope definitely it would have motivated you, and see you in the next exciting video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.